want to show you today these beautiful pearl and opal earrings, hand selected with lustrous glow and unique design. Made of premium materials, 925 sterling silver and 18K gold plating for lasting shine. Hypoallergenic design, nickel-free, posed with secure beautiful bags, especially designed for sensitive ears. Lightweight design for all comfort without irritation. Versatile wear. Perfect for sleeping, workout, or formal occasion. Beautiful with casual and dressy outfits. And finally, it's a luxury jewelry with full energy, unique, full color and soul. So definitely is the piece that every woman needs to carry in life.